This woman won't kill me with food. They won't murder me with food. I beg, Mona, help me.
You go fat by force.
I don't tell her. I know they fat for my life. They say I must fat. You no go force me to fat. No be by force. Fat no dey my body. Don't kill me with food. I take God beg you.
You must fat, honey. Baby, you must fat.
Make I test am first. Whether salt pass inside.
No. Appa. How would you say that?
Hey. No.
I know you love it. This is also to remind you that Peco Africa is offering you 50% off the actual price of your website. So all you need to do is to send me a DM, or wherever you're watching this video, just send me a message that you want to build a business website. Okay, I will just ask you the nature of your business so that I will know the exact website that suits your business. And in 10 days or less, your website will be up and running. Straight up! What I'm having is Indomie, fried egg, and fried plantain. Yeah. When I'm done, I work. So it's to eat, work, and play. I hope you understand the advantages of having a website for your business, because it's going to increase your visibility online. People need to know you online. People buy from people that they know. If they don't know you, how would they buy from you? In fact, if they don't know you, how would they even know what you're selling? Or how would they know the services you are offering in order for them to patronize you? So they need to know you, and after knowing you, they need to trust you. They need to know that you know what you're doing enough for them to give you their money. That's why it's very important to have this website, because the website is going to help you a lot in explaining everything that your business does, the services.
Eat. Leave them first, make them the watch. Eat small. You drink small water, join.
Okay.
Mona waiting, Mona no kill her for me. I see the teacher are waiting to do. You eat small, you drink water.
Let me drink water.
Drink water.
My boss don't say make I eat, so.
Just because you wait, if you drop 2 spoons, you continue. Why I want this plantain?
Plantain is very ripe. So, like I was saying, your website is going to tell people about what you do. Your website is going to tell them how to reach you, how to contact you. Your website is going to show them your privacy policy, how you run your business, your guidelines, your conditions, and so many things. Okay, it's going to drive so much traffic to you.
Did you also tell them that it will reduce the advertising cost?
Yes, that's what they don't know. There's nothing like organic traffic. For those that don't know, traffic is the lifeblood of every business, and traffic simply means people. People need to see what you're selling in order to buy from you. So now, by the time you have your website and you are able to develop your organic traffic, you see that you keep making money even without spending anything for advertising. Nobody needs to hear your voice before they'll be able to buy from you. Your website does the explanation. It shows them your services. It shows them how much you offer your services, how much for your products, and then you make good money. So try and get your website and use this opportunity. It's a Christmas promo, which is giving you 50% off the actual price of the website. So what are you waiting for? Just send me DM sharp. The WhatsApp number is 09034296519. Just say, hello, Madam Peco Africa. I need a website for my business, and that's it. You will have one website for your business, and you can always expand your website. That's the wonderful thing about it. All right? Let me concentrate and finish this food sharp. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.